Hi my daughters, welcome back to another video. Today actually I have a topic where we want me on to talk about. I get the topic a little while ago and I thought I did a video on it, but I couldn't find the video, so I decided to do over the video. Alright, so someone reached out to me asking me for help in their relationship. I am just wanna make a disclaimer right now. I am in no way, shape, and form helping anyone in their relationship. And I don't want to be the one who is gonna speak bad on somebody's relationship. That's not me, okay? But I can actually, as a woman, I will kind of draw my own assumption. It's not facts, it's just an assumption. So I am going to read what the person sent to me, and I want you, Madonnas, to be the judge. I will put my 2 cents at the end of it, but you guys are going to be my judge, okay? So hold on for the ride. The ride is coming. Okay, so now it's time to read what the person says. I need to put on my testicles because I can't see nothing on this. Even with the testicles, we can't barely see. Man, put it out here good. Alright, so he said GL. I'm just gonna call him GL. He said, I am married to a Jamaican woman. We are still married, but she always threatening divorce. She never talk things out. She always silent. She always yelling at me, saying bad things to me. She's withhold sex from me. Just the other day, she tell me she don't like me. Always mean to me for absolutely nothing. I am fighting, trying to save my marriage. I have never been this depressed. Please help me. What should I do? I don't want to just quit on her. We have been married for 3 years and have 2 boys. Okay, let me take off my testicles because I don't even like that the testicles they no more. Alright, so I know say I'm a judge and jury, but me can actually give my 2 cents on that, right? So I'm put in the comment section. Madonnas, I want to depend upon to be the judge and jury. Take a deep breath. Alright, one, it depends on the kind of woman, it depends on the relationship. So for me, you know, sometimes you're in a relationship. I don't know if he's a Jamaican, but you know a Jamaican man is, and not a lot of them going know if them not comfortable and they gone before them even figure that out. So it maybe is not a Jamaican. It's to me that person maybe not a Jamaican. Alright then. A woman just not really just get up and be mean to somebody out of nowhere. They're in a relationship. Let me tell you something. When you are in a relationship and you have 2 children, sometimes I'm speaking for myself. Sometimes the love that you have for the person that you have the babies with, that love can change because of the baby. You put so much in the baby, which it kind of take up a lot of your time. So the interest for the man is not there so much. I'm just speaking for me. Yeah, like I put so much love in on my children. Sometimes like the man go on the back burner. I don't know if you guys have been through that, but maybe because of the relationship that I have been through, why I said that, like I didn't, you know. And also when pressure bust pipe, it can act a certain way. So they have the boys, they have the babies, and if as a man you're the wrong and you're not help the way you should help, that can contribute to she just yelling, and she can be frustrated because she's under pressure. You know, women tend to take out them frustration on different levels. It could be that you not treat her nice and she have things that boil up in her head, but maybe that's her way of communicating, being frustrated. A lot of women, even men, they're not vulnerable. They don't know how to express. They don't know how to share, what they're going through. So that can also contribute to why she's acting that way. As well, as I said, when you have children with somebody, you have to care about them to have children with them, to sit down and get more than one children with them. So it's something shifting at the relationship. And the best way for me, the best way is to sit with her and actually ask her what she's going through. What can you do to fix it? Because a lot of men don't do those things. They don't ask their woman what they like and don't like. You know what I mean? So when you're sharing that side of you to her, give her a space where she can open up to you instead of being angry all the time. So that love, let me tell you something, men, that you don't understand about women. We want to feel protected. And if you have a woman in your house that give you 2 children, it have to be that something is there. And if she's just getting up out of nowhere and start to just get angry all the time, something is just not right. It could be on her, it could be on you. All right, somebody would say maybe she have a man. Not necessarily. Not necessarily. Sometimes we just don't feel safe. We don't feel comfortable because we don't have that safe space. When you give us that safe space, let me tell you, 1, when we feel like you are out there and doing things. 2, when we can't trust you, when we can't open up to you and be vulnerable, that's how some of us react. We need that protection. We want to know that you're protecting here our hearts, and we want to know that you are respectful. If you're disrespecting her and she's disrespecting you, just know that that is a level that is gonna just disappear, because once you start disrespecting each other in a relationship, it's just not the same. It's not the same. I don't care what nobody said. When that starts, unless you're the kind of person who, I would say, I don't want to degrade anybody, but I'm just saying, if you are that kind of person who are degraded, or you don't care about people bringing down your self-esteem and stuff like that, if you don't feel a way about that, then you're on a different level. But when you're a respected woman and you feel respected and you feel you hold on to your sanity, your dignity, and your pride, you don't want a man to be disrespecting you. Likewise, a woman shouldn't be disrespecting a man. You know what I mean? And that's how I feel about the whole story. So let me all know what you guys think, because I need to know. Madonna's them wanna come out in a full force, cause me want to know what you think about it. Okay? So leave on the thoughts in the comment section and I will be back. So just shoot me some content when you want me to talk on, and we will share my honest opinion. As I said, I am no way, shape or form a counselor, but for me, I have enough knowledge to kind of like talk on certain things, and I think I don't always right, but I believe I can be fair based on my judgment. I can be fair. I'm not gonna degrade anyone, so don't ever look for that. I'm just gonna speak my truth, what I would do and how I would be wanted to be treated. Okay? So I'm gonna base it mostly on me. mostly on myself. So see you all later. Bye guys, love ya. Oh, don't forget to like the video. I need to start asking you guys to like my content, because it's only my direct donors them like my content. La 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 la. Love you, no. Bye.